guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to today's video. Today's Budget Beauty Buys Day. You guys know what that means. We are going around shopping for some awesome makeup deals. I am just so excited and ready to find some good stuff today. I was replying to all your comments last night. You guys were telling me everything you found, and there are a couple of things that I want to hopefully find. And I'm gonna go to not just TJ Maxx today, I'm also gonna go to a bunch of Marshalls because it has swapped, you guys. It used to be TJ Maxx was where it's at. Now it's all about Marshalls. So I am really excited. I want to go visit a couple different Marshalls too and just see where the day takes me. And of course you guys are coming along with me. Never seen Budget Beauty Buys before. Basically I go around shopping for discount makeup at different stores like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington, basically any of those kinds of stores. And you guys come with me. We always have the best time. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel. It's the first link down below in my description box. Make sure you guys turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Let's go into TJ Maxx store number 1. And if you guys are wondering why my face is so white and my body is tan, it's because I did self tanner last night and I only tan like up to here, so that's why it looks a little bit weird. Just wanted to let you guys know. But anyways, let's go inside and start shopping.
So this is an interesting skincare line. This is Bee Bio Venomous Bee Venom and Manuka Honey face mask, and this is $12.99. They also have this Peter Thomas Roth Acne Discovery Kit. It has their acne clear dots, correction pads, and a wash, and this is only $9.99. That's a nice little set right there. Also found this Origins Out of Trouble 10-minute mask. This is $14.99. They also have this Clinique Super Defense Daily Defense Moisturizer. This is $29.99. And they have a Clinique City Block Purifying Charcoal Mask. This is $21.99. And an Acne Solutions treatment. This is $17.99.
Okay, so the first thing I found is this Becca Perfecting Skin Powder in Bamboo. And I also found a ton of the Anastacio foundation sticks in Porcelain, Bamboo, and I also found one in the shade Fawn, which you guys will see. And these were all only $9.99, which I think is such a good price. So they had tons of those. And I also found a Bare Minerals Gen Nude Matte Lip Color for only $4.99, which was really cool. I actually wish I would have got that. And there's another stick foundation and this Becca Brow Mousse in Mocha. Then I also found Too Faced Snow Bunny bronzer for $9.99, and I also found the Too Faced Pink Leopard bronzer, and this was also $9.99. And I'm finding more of the Anastacio blush trios. This one is in Pool Party and it's only $10, you guys. I think that is amazing. Definitely pick that up if you find it. And I found an Anastasia eyeshadow single, and I think that was in the shade Caramel. And I found a Kat Von D studded lipstick for $7.99 in the shade Coven. And I found such an exciting find, Anastasia Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick. This was only $6.99. I honestly was shocked to find this, totally shocked. And I found a NARS, I believe it's a NARS lip pencil. And then I also found, I think, another Anastasia liquid lipstick. Oh no, I'm sorry, this is the Anastasia Liquid Glow that was in bronzed. That one was cool too. I think that was also $9.99. And I found another, here it is, Anastasia liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood. I was like, oh my gosh. And then I found Anastasia stick foundation, a MAC mascara. I believe that was $12.99. And I found this Smashbox liquid lipstick that is $7.99. And I found a Smashbox Halo highlighting wand in Pearl, which I had never seen before, but I thought it was a good find. So found Subculture. This is $29.99. And this was really cool. I found the Becca Aqua Luminous Foundation for only $12.99 in the shade Fair.
Guys, so I will show you what I got at the end of the video, so stay tuned for my little haul. I did get a couple things. I got some beauty stuff, and then I got a couple like house things. Sorry for the voiceover part. I don't like filming with my camera when I'm up at the register, just in case like the manager's there, they get mad, so I just kind of like do it on the down low on my phone. No one can really tell, but I was like, oh man, this stinks, like there's nothing here. And then once I got up to the register, I found all that stuff, and it was crazy. The Pure Hollywood lipstick, Anastasia blush trio, Becca Luminous foundation, like totally hit the jackpot. At that store and I was like really disappointed, but it totally just turned around at the end. So always make sure you look at the front of the registers. Like it was right next to the register, like the first one, there was all those shelves with all those products. So I'm so like pumped about all those finds. That was really cool. So that store wasn't a total waste. Now I'm gonna head over to Marshall's, which is literally like 5 minutes away. That's what I love about this area over here. It's like super close. So let's head on over to Marshall's and I hope I find some good stuff. Last time I saw tons of like Kat Von D kits, and I hope I find more Anastasia. I want to find more shades of that liquid glow. So
I found 2 Clinique mascaras at Marshall's. The first is their Lash Power mascara and then their Lash Power Flutter to Full mascara. This one is $7.99 and then this one is $9.99. I also found the Lorac I Heart Bunch Alter Ego lip gloss for $3.99 in Pastry Chef. It's a really pretty pink color. Found this Pixie set. It has a liquid illuminator, a blush and highlight, and a glossy lip plumper. And this is only $6.99. Found another Too Faced Cocoa Contour. This is $24.99. They have a bunch of Pacifica products I found over here. And I don't think I've ever seen Pacifica at Marshall's and TJ Maxx. So this is their highlighting powder. Actually, you can't even see it. It's like, I don't know what shade it looks like because it's turned the other way or it's like in packaging, but this is a coconut water and lotus highlighting powder, and this is in sheer golden glow, and this is $7.99. Also have their universal powder in light. This is $7.99. The Pacifica Smolder eyelining gel for $4.99. This is in Tahitian Pearl, and this is their Supernatural eyeshadow trio, and this is only $4.99. They have the Bare Minerals Stroke of Light eye brightener, and this is $5.99. Okay, you guys, I found another Glitter Bomb palette for $19.99. That's what the shades look like. I know a lot of you guys are looking for this, so it's really exciting to find this again at Marshall's. We found it last week too. And then they also have tons of Chocolate Soleil bronzers for $9.99. They have Snow Bunny for $9.99, and they also have a few of the Beach Bunny bronzers for $9.99. A bunch of the Aurora Glow Kits here for $24.99. The Makeup Revolution Unicorns Unite palette for only $4.99. Okay, I also found the Peach Kiss lipstick in Dollface. I'm gonna have to open this up and see if it's swatched. If it's not, then I want it. I'm so happy I'm still finding this. And then they also have a Stila convertible lip and cheek, and this is in Fuchsia. This is for $5.99, and this is in the shade Fuchsia. And I see a bunch of Kat Von D lipsticks. They have Slayer. This is $5.99. They also have Kat Von D Locket color correcting eyeshadow primer in light. I've never found light before, and this is only $2.99. And we have another color correcting eye primer from Kat Von D, and we have the lipstick shade Sexer, and then Lullaby, and then this is Wonder Child. So lots of Kat Von D lipsticks. Also have tons of her kits. This is the kit that I found last week, Smoke and Mirrors, and then they have the bow and arrow set for $9.99. Crush with the Mother of All set for $8.99. And the Everlasting Lip Duo in Suspiria and Melancholia, and this is $9.99. Okay, this is the first time I found this color. It's the Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy in Like a Boss. This is $6.99. And they also have the Barista lipstick from Lorac in I Heart Brunch, and this is $3.99. Anastacio liquid lipstick in Party Pink. We have Naked liquid lipstick. A bunch of these things are like falling out of packaging. We have another Pastry Chef lip gloss from Lorac. Another Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette for $24.99. This Pure Quick Pro lip set. This is a 3-piece nude collection. Looks like it has a lipstick, lip gloss, and a liner, and this is $7.99. They also have this Boscia Everyday Gel to Mousse Cleanser. This is $12.99. They have a Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask. This is $39.99. I also found this little Algenist Illuminating Drops Duo for for $9.99. The Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pearl, and this is $12.95. I found a bunch of these actually, so this was super cool to find. Okay, so one of my subscribers told me about this yesterday, and I'm so excited I found them. They have the Real Techniques Blush Crush collection. This is the blush brush, and they have the really pretty sparkly handle. This is $5.99, so I was actually hoping I would find these. They also have a fan brush, which is $5.99, and they have a contour brush. I was really hoping I was going to find these because I wanted these so badly. They're so pretty. Look at that handle. It's just pure glitter. I have this giant Soap and Glory set, and it has the Righteous Butter, Scrub Your Life, Vitamin C Wash, Sugar Crush, and the Righteous Butter. Did I say that already? Like, oh, there's two kinds. There's the body one, and then there's like the size. And this is $14.99. Oh, you get a little lip gloss too. Such a good set. I also found a Bare Minerals powder blush for $7.99 in Let's Go Nude. Bobbi Brown set. This is $14.99. Bellini Mini Lip and Eye Palette.
So I'm here at another TJ Maxx, and last week this one was kind of disappointing, so I'm hoping they restock. So let's go check it out and see what we can find today.
This is a really cool find. I found the Kat Von D brightening powder and Locket brightening powder, and this is in the shade Petal. It is $7.99. Such a cool find. This is the first time I've seen this. Okay, this is really cool, you guys. I found a Becca and Jaclyn Hill limited edition collection item. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector, the poured cream in C-Pop, which I have not heard of, but it's $9.99. I'll show you guys the other side. So it has Jaclyn's picture on it, and very interesting. I got so excited when I saw a Jaclyn Hill product, so that's cool. More new Becca stuff. I found the Shimmering Skin Perfector in Prosecco Pop. This is the poured cream, and this is $12.99. So these are so cool, you guys. Very excited about this. Also found a Marc Jacobs Kiss Pop lipstick in Pop Rock. This is $8.99. Another Prosecco Pop poured cream from Becca. I also found another Peach Kiss lipstick. This is in Sunday Fun Day, $6.99. They have a Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Topaz. This is $12.99. They also have a ton of these Coven Purplish Lilac lipsticks from Kat Von D, and these are $7.99. Found the Anastacio Stick Foundation in the shade Banana. Yeah, Banana, and this is $9.99. I think this is the stick version of their banana powder. Found the Anastacio Stick Foundation in Espresso, which I think might be a good like contouring shade. And then I found this Bare Minerals brush. It's like a little face brush, bronzer brush. It's $5.99. Okay, this is exciting. I found another Anastasia liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood. And I also found another Anastasia Liquid Glow in Bronzed. And the liquid lipstick is $6.99, and the liquid highlighter is $9.99. Literally feel like I'm shopping at Sephora right now. Okay, you guys, I found tons of the blush trios from Anastasia. They have Cocktail Party. This is $9.99, and then they also have a ton of the Pool Party shades, and this one, they have Pink Passion, also $9.99. So they have all of the blush palettes, basically. This is so cool. I found an Ula Henriksen African Red Tea Foaming Cleanser. It looks real big size, 7 fluid ounces, and this is $9.99. They also have this Ula Henriksen Empower Hydrating Hand Cream, and this is only $4.99. Okay, so here is that Becca and Jaclyn Hill. I just like to look inside to make sure no one touched it, and it is untouched. So I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but
oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like such a Dumbo right now. I was looking at that Becca box and I'm like, C-Pop, what is C-Pop? And I was Googling it. I'm like, did I miss that in the collection? And then I looked up C-Pop, didn't see anything, and then I see just random videos, Champagne Pop, and I'm like, oh my gosh, Kim, C-Pop means Champagne Pop. And then I had a revelation. I was like, oh my gosh, it's Champagne Pop at TJ Maxx, and I like started freaking out when I realized, and I was like, oh my gosh, you're so ridiculous that you didn't know that. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe we found that. So you bet I waited online to get the Champagne Pop limited edition product from TJ Maxx because it was the only one, and I do not think I'm ever gonna find that again. I am like so curious if Champagne Pop limited edition products are gonna start popping up at other TJ Maxx's and Marshalls. It could have been a total unicorn, so I was like, I'm just gonna get it because I feel like you guys would kill me. I would be mad at myself if I didn't get it, and I know it's like the poured cream, which is not as popular, but still, the fact that I found that, you guys, I'm freaking out. Like, that was one of my favorite finds ever. Total unicorn. So I think that's gonna be it for my haul today. We're ending on like a total high note. I'll show you guys my little haul because I know you look forward to this part. First thing I want to show you guys that I got is the highlighter in question, C-Pop, that I had no idea because why, like, I looked up the packaging online and it says Champagne Pop, so this must be some sort of like limited edition packaging that they had, or maybe it's just for like TJ Maxx, and it's not, it's real, it's 100% real. So that is what it looks like. It has Jacqueline's picture on the back, has the ingredients, and yeah, it was 10 bucks. I looked this up, it retailed when it was limited edition for $36. Can you guys honestly believe this? Like, you must be as excited as I am about this. So completely untouched, which is another miracle in itself. So that's the one thing I got from TJ Maxx. Also, there was this really crazy guy behind me online. He was definitely like high on some sort of drugs and he was going crazy, and I was like, oh, okay, whatever, I just want my Champagne Pop. So my other little TJ Maxx haul, I got this little pencil holder in case you guys are curious. Because my pencil holder, believe it or not, it was glass and it broke, so I thought this was cute. I also got a bath rug, which you guys don't really probably want to see in Budget Beauty Buys. I got a plain white t-shirt, just a basic. This was $5.99 because I don't even have like a plain white little tee. Then finally I got my hands on a Schmidt's deodorant. You guys have been telling me for like months now to get this. Usually they're like out of packaging, they're just loose, but this I thought was nice because it was in packaging. So I decided to get the coconut and pineapple. This was $4.99. All you guys told me this is amazing, so I'm trusting you guys because you guys are awesome. So I cannot wait to try this out. I did make my own deodorant once and it was really good, and I have a video on it on my Instagram. I will link it down below. It had coconut oil in it, so in the summer it's a little bit too oily, so I wanted something else. And I also had to get this because this is another product that I felt like I would kick myself, I would never see again, and I know it's so popular. So the Anastacio liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood, I had to get this. You guys, if you find it, I say definitely get it. This was only $6.99. I'm like just blown away by these amazing deals. Like, this is why I film these videos, because it's just so exciting. And I'll actually put this color on right now so you guys can see. Maybe I can like prop my camera up. I know Pure Hollywood is like an infamous Anastacio color. It's my kind of color. It's a pinky nude. So here's what it looks like. My lips are super dry right now, so this might not be good. I'm gonna put a little on. It's gonna look really weird on me because I have no other makeup on, but I couldn't pass this up. It is a like pinky nude. It's so pretty. It's definitely a lighter shade, so I feel like it'll look really pretty paired with a lip liner. Totally hit the jackpot today. Such a fun shopping day. I hope you guys had fun coming along with me. My question for you guys today, because we found Jacqueline Champagne Pop, which I still am freaking out about, what limited edition item do you want to find at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, or it could even be like Burlington? Let me know in the comments down below. What is a limited edition item that you missed out on that you would love to find? Please comment, let me know. Thank you guys so much. Thank you again for watching and supporting and commenting. I always try and reply to all your comments on my videos. I love interacting with you guys. Please let me know what you found at the stores this week, as always, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me.